the matter, Pluto?
Are you okay?
I think I know what's happening. We've been so busy taking care of Bella that we haven't been paying attention to Pluto. Is that right, boy?
Oh, Pluto, I'm sorry.
Sorry, boy.
And I'm super sorry. Well, I didn't mean to ignore you, pal. You know you're still my best dog, right?
What was with the running? If you can call that running.
I was giving you time to catch up.
Aw, you big lug.
Come on, everybody. Let's all blow Pluto a big kiss to make him feel better. Ready? Blow Pluto a kiss. We all made Pluto happy again.
Aww.
Hello! Where's my little Bella? Oh, my puppy has a new best friend, I see. I have a little something here for the extra special puppy sitter. A small bone just for you, Pluto. Oh, that is some great dog you have there, Mickey Mouse.
You're right, Clarabelle.